In today's video, we're going to be looking at a more advanced way of screenshotting certain parts of your screen. So in a previous video, we looked at all of the screenshot settings. However, once pressing Command Shift and 4 and having the freehand cursor up, you can press the space key, which will change your cursor into a camera. Now you can select your bottom taskbar, your open windows, your desktop, or your top bar, and screenshot those specifically. And as you can see, it's taken a screenshot of just that top bar there. Thanks for watching. For more information on IT services, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services, please visit KazziCom.com.